It's Thursday, the 13th of February, and we are back in the markets again. So today, what we're going to be doing is a quick breakdown of the market, how it moved throughout this week. And obviously, I'm going to be showing you some of the results from the board, given that yesterday we had CPI news. And just to show you guys that even during news, the board is still able to capitalize and keep your account safe as well. So, which is something that is very important, given that most systems out here, they unable to keep your account safe and still be able to capitalize when these huge events come up. So it's something really essential that you guys should be aware of, which is one of the main benefits, obviously. um so what we're going to do is we want to check also today if we got any news coming up today or something of that sort, but I don't think that will be necessary. So let us start. So I show you guys one of the accounts here. Has been trading, started with 500 a little over a week to 2 weeks now, 2 weeks now, yeah. And he has already about 92. So, which is a little bit almost over getting to 20% return. So, which is something that is really, really, really good, which is a good return. Especially with the period of time and the capital that this person started with, which is really little, which is the lowest capital I advise that most of you guys start up with. Then let us check out another second account as well. On this specific one, it has 694 right now, and the account also started with 500, and we have 194 profit as well. So as you can see, the account has been performing great and it has been growing. We got some open positions right now. And the best thing is that no one even needs to keep track of these accounts, or like no one even needs to be there personally looking at these accounts, because I don't even look. The system does everything automatically for you. Um, I still don't get how people wouldn't want to benefit from this, especially right now, since you can still get the free 3 months access. And there will come a time when I'll be selling it right off the hook, and it's gonna be way, way, way more expensive. So only those who recognize opportunity early, those are the ones who mainly benefit from it. Even it's the same thing with the Bitcoin years ago and crypto and a lot of other things, even with the Trump coin that came up right now. You have to learn to identify these opportunities and these chances early, and obviously sometimes take certain risks. That's how you get to get from where you are at to the next level, given that you won't always have 100% guarantees. That's the beauty of life, you know. You have to most often take a leap of faith and, try out these things. And this is how most people have been making it. As unbelievable as it is, as you can see, these guys, they have been already making an extra income. So given that this is just a 500 account, some of them they have 1,000, some of them 3,000, 5,000, some of them 10,000 accounts, some of my clients. Imagine if you are at the level of $10,000 in your account, or 20 or $30,000 in your account, and the system is working for you. Obviously the return is going to be much higher. You're going to be checking for 10-15% of that capital amount. And how much would that be? We could be making easily 1, 2, 3K every single month just from the system's performance, and that's enough to cover your bills, to be honest. If you're making 3, 4, 5K, some of your bills, yeah, that's enough, depending on how expensive your bills are. So to the average guy, this would be a huge improvement, given that nowadays a lot of us are struggling to find some sort of investment that we can not only trusting, but we can personally manage. Because the beauty of this thing is that you don't have to give your account details to anyone. You personally manage your money, and you don't have to give your money to anyone, given that a lot of scam happen during this inside this industry of ours. So which is something very essential and important. So it's important that you guys learn to recognize opportunity when you see it, not only in the charts, but life overall. When you see opportunities, sometimes you just have to jump, jump in as quick as you can, and that's how you stay ahead of the rest of the world. So okay, so on this specific one, let us open a different one as well. We have this specific account as well, 1,296, and this person also started with 1,000, and this person now has a profit of deposit 1,251. I think this is bonus or profit. Yeah, now the account is like on 1,296, which is a high improvement. Like on this account, this is like what, 30% already return, and this has been in less than 2 months, and you already have 30% return. Name one bank that you can be able to earn this kind of return without your personal knowledge, without the need of your personal time. This is a game changer. It's just that most people, they fail to recognize opportunity when the time is there. Until now, things get expensive. So obviously, um, I'll be pushing this narrative, and I'll be pushing this free trial until probably half of the year or a couple months, more than I'll start the selling process from the get-go instead of getting the free trial, given that the goal right now was for you guys to actually see on his performance. And I've actually acquired quite a large number of clients already that have been using and that have benefiting, and the name of the system has been growing, and it's starting to get the recognition that it needs to be getting. So it's important that you guys, all of those of you who haven't gotten it, you can just get in touch. You get the free 3 months trial, but only if you're able to fund your free your trading account. Because I get some people asking, can you put it on a demo? I'm like, why waste my time on putting on a demo? Like, what's the point of it, right? I've already proven it to myself. I know it works, and to others who are using as well. Why would I waste? Besides, the demo is not the same as a real account. So if you don't have it, it's fine. But for all of those who are looking for another source of income, yeah, this would be something I would really advise as well. Obviously, there's still a few risks, but yeah, all of these guys, they've been benefiting from it as well. So this is it on the system, guys. Let's just go to chat so that I can give you just a few quick updates so that we can see how the week went by. Obviously, we predicted that price would rise, uh, and price rose from this point to this point. So it's from Monday. Price rose to this point to this point, and it's kind of consolidating, and it dropped right now. Let's see. It's kind of tricky. So I'll go to another one for now. And on this specific pair, we also predicted that price was going to drop, and it actually dropped beautifully. And I think on this one, we might be able to actually find a setup, because we had this one, boom, good one. The second one as well, we predicted, boom, came all the way down here. And so we got level one. This is probably level two. Over here, the consolidation for level one was quite large. Level two over here on NZD CAD. Let me just save this thing real quick. Okay. Level one, level two. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Price still consolidating. Apologies, price still consolidating within this area here. So obviously, what I would like you to do is at least maybe give us some sort of consolidation, or come back here, touch maybe this EMA, and then we continue to the downside, because when we are on a downtrend and the levels are counted to the downside, it's essential to know that we are only looking for sell trades, right? But sometimes on level two, they may make 50% pullback, something like that, coming all the way here as well. So it's important to take note of that, and react accordingly. Let me see. on Euro USD. Okay, so on Euro USD, essentially at first, price was supposed to drop for 3 levels, but price only gave us 2 levels, even though the last trade was good still. Then we had 1 level of rise. We have 2 levels of rise today. And so essentially what we're expecting on Euro USD is another rise so that we can now complete our cycle to the high side. Let me just save this. Another rise so that we can complete our cycle to the high side. But obviously we have to look for some sort of rejection before we can take this trade, maybe to the EMA or the Asian midline, something of that sort, before we can take this trade. Or maybe they might decide to consolidate and give us a high tomorrow, since it's Friday, just to end the week. So which is something that they essentially do. So we'll be keeping track of this pair and the DCAD and Euro USD. And yeah, guys, this is it for today. I wanted to make it short and quick. Obviously, I'm going to be making another video where I'm going to be taking on another FTMO challenge. So for you guys to benefit from it, sign up to the channel and then subscribe to the channel and then share with friends as soon as we grow. I'll also drop beginners course which I've already made for all of those who are new, so that you can benefit from it as well. So this is it for